Hello, welcome to Meridian Connection Taiji YouTube channel. Today I will briefly introducing you with the upcoming 2 hours Taiji session. So there's two of them. The first one is on the 1st of March and then the 2nd of May. During this workshop, I really want to introduce you with the Taiji walking, and it's one of the fundamental, very powerful, looking seemingly simple, but it's very powerful as a holistic mind-body movement. And the key is to move slowly. So with this, we can really understand better with proper body posture, and also we will be able to really find deeper grounding while we are moving, as well as improve our strength and flexibility. I'll give you very short demonstration. There will be definitely more detailed instructions through our workshop. I'll just show you, and you might see from here why it's so important, why it's so relaxing yet powerful and energetic at the same time. So for example, when you stand here, you have this whole body connecting moment with your deep breathing or breath work. But then when you move, sometimes we forget, right? We forget because we're just moving. And this Taiji walking is really connect you while you're moving your breath work. Your mind leads your breath as then into your movement. So when you start, you might want to just start with your lower legs. So we started with a simple stance, and we have this body weight shifting, and then we come into movement 2, and then we're taking a step. And we shift weight slowly and mindfully. And then we can add our upper body. This whole time is that deep breathing, well connected with deep grounding and building that strength through slow movement. So again, we start with the stance. The leaves under my foot. So it's a very, very simple Taiji walking movement, but definitely you can get so much out of it from your slow movement. There's evidence-based study have been done with why that can improve your body postures, why the breath work is so important, and why that it can improve your bone density or the strengthening and much more. There's lots of YouTubes out there can explain you with more details, and I can explain you too, which will be in the workshop. And so that is on the 1st of March and the 2nd of May, and it's 10 to 12, 2 hours. And during this workshop, we'll do also more about how the chi, our life energy, is through that body with your mindfulness and into our movement, into all the vascular system, to the tip of fingers, to the toes, and through the whole body. And I think This is very fundamental, but it is so fundamentally important for our energy flow, for the mindfulness of our body postures. And through that strengthening, you improve your grounding. Through your grounding, you improve your strengthening and flexibility. So they're all interrelated. And I'm excited to share with you. And so the booking is open now. You can go to the website, Meridian Connection taiji.com.au, and search for future events under the events. If you have any questions, please send me email or give me a phone call. And I think health is the important thing. So that's probably the intention for me to offer this workshop. Is I think, we all deserve it, and invest in our health and well-being. It should be top on our to-do list. So that's all for this brief introduction. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I look forward to see you at the workshop. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a great day.